Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Anthropic Claude API for custom chatbots step by step clearly. To get started with registering for the Anthropic Claude API, visit the official Anthropic website. Navigate to the API section on the homepage. Look for the registration or sign up button. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements outlined. Review and accept the terms and conditions presented. After completing the registration form, click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Anthropic. Open the verification email and click on the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log back into the Anthropic website using your credentials. Navigate to the API dashboard within your account. Locate the section labeled API Keys or Access Tokens. Click on the option to generate a new API key. Securely store the generated API key as you will need it for your custom chatbot. Review the API documentation provided on the website. Familiarize yourself with the endpoints and their functionalities. Plan your chatbot's features based on the capabilities of the Claude API. Start coding your custom chatbot using your preferred programming language. Integrate the API key into your code to enable communication with the Claude API. Test your chatbot in a development environment to ensure everything works as expected. Make adjustments based on the testing results. Once satisfied with the functionality, deploy your chatbot to the desired platform. Monitor its performance and user interactions regularly for any necessary updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.